What's up, besties? So today I'm going to be using my Supernova curly Peruvian virgin hair in two bundles in the length 20 inches. So I'm not going to do too much talking for this tutorial, but I am going to explain the important parts. I'm just going to shut up for now. So I'm starting by slicking down my edges. You don't have to do this. This is optional. I always do this, and as you can see, I still have all my edges. You know, if you keep trying to braid your edges up, eventually you're just gonna rip off. So, I mean, why not lay them down? It's cute anyway. I'm gonna be using the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben, New York, an extra firm hold.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay, so I'm going to start by taking 3 very tiny sections at the beginning of the braid, and I'm just going to start to braid like normal. I don't add hair at the very beginning. Some people do. I find that it looks a little more natural for me, just starting off with my real hair. So I'm going to do one little piece in on that side, and then one little piece on the other side, and that's when I'm going to start actually adding in the braiding hair. The hair that I'm using is 100% Nicolon braiding hair. I'll put the exact brand somewhere in the video. So just start by adding tinier sections at first, and then get a little bit bigger as you go. It doesn't have to be perfect, just add like a little bit more hair as you go. And I think throughout the entire braid, I probably added about 6 to 9 pieces per braid. You can count with me as I add the hair in, just to be sure about that. Find that using a comb makes it really easy to get that stitch braid look if you don't have like long fingernails or fake nails on. Because I usually would just use my nails, but then I actually bit my nails also. I know that's too much information, but yeah. So yeah, I find that using a comb makes it a little easier.
It's OVA the creator.
Okay guys, so if your hair is shorter like mine, then you want to just braid the weave into your hair a little bit longer than how long your actual hair is, and then you'll cut it and put a rubber band or something on it.
OVA the creator.
Since you guys already know what I'm going to do in this part, I thought I'd just throw in the other items that I actually used and where I got them from. So the hair that I use is the actual African collection expression braiding hair, and it's at 82 inches, I believe. I actually cut it in half, right? So I cut it in half and then I teased the hair. And I'm going to put a link to a video of how to tease the hair if you don't know how. I'll put that in the description box down below. And then the cuffs and the string that I wrapped around my hair is actually from the beauty supply store, but you can also get it from Amazon and I think eBay as well. It wasn't that much. Also, edge brush that I use on my edges came from the beauty supply store. You can also get it from Walmart or CVS or Walgreens or something like that.
It's OVA the creator.
I just wanted to add in this hair again. It's from Supernova hair. I really love this hair, you guys. The curl pattern is different from what I usually get. It's not too tight, but it's not too big of a curl, which I really like. It's like a medium curl, and the hair is really soft and it smells good. If you want to purchase this hair, the links will be in the description box down below, guys, so don't forget to check the description box. Lots of information in there.
It's OVA the creator.
That's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more tutorials like this in the near future. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Domination, you already know who it is. Bang, bang. Flawless Britny, I'm out.